Hi and welcome back to another video. This time I have an iPhone 5S that is not in that good condition. I already opened it and I cleaned, especially the camera was very dirty. Now the camera is good again. And I want to fix this phone here in the cheapest way possible. And the screen of this phone is like this. It's broken, it's very dirty, and it is not working anymore as it should. And yeah, a little small component. Over here I have all the screw. In it I have some old iPhones that can help me. This is not a MacBook Air, so yes it is, but inside this box, it's not a MacBook Air. Inside this box I have a lot of iPhones. And you can see here that I have iPhone 3GS, iPhone 4S. This is, oh yeah, this is still a project that's open. And here I have another one in gold, an iPhone 5S. And I'm not sure, but I think I will put this iPhone here, that's really bad condition, in this case that it's a little bit better condition. And as screen I use this. I don't know if this works. Otherwise I have here another one. But one of these is for sure not working or not good working. So this is now the situation we are in. For this I have somewhere a battery, it's not a problem. The first thing I want to do now is to try out this screen or this. Okay, now first thing I want to do is to try out this screen here. How do I have to? It's not the correct one. I put the wrong one. I was like, why I can't open it? So one screw, the other screw. Now let's make a big place. And opening it over here. Come on. Yes. And this is a screen that is pretty in a good condition, because normally the frame of plastic does separate from the glass, and that's not so practical. So now here you have this little thing to remove. Oh. Wait. Come. Oh. Okay. And let's change the screwdriver. And the battery is already flat, so I don't have to disconnect it. You can see it. Well done. Okay, let's unplug this. And let's put it in here just to see if it also works. Oh, it has a line in there, but it's not a problem because the other one had even a worse line. And I would say It's okay. Maybe the other one is better. Oh, no screw. Okay. Let's open this. And let's see if we can still reuse it. Or not. Come on. Why it doesn't work? There are no screws in it. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, it's not that good. Okay, now finally I got in here. Ooh, that don't sound good. Also here, remove, oops. That was fast. So let's see if this screen here is better. Tuck, tuck, tuck. So let's turn it off. Oh, okay, the battery is really bad on this phone. Maybe, yeah, it's working. It's only working because it never was for an iPhone SE. It just was since beginning for iPhone 5s. Oh, the screen looks good. Okay, so I charge it now and let's see if it gets better. Okay, here you can see the screen is in a very good condition. So now I can turn this off. I don't know why the screen is in so good condition, but yeah, you never know. And we can unplug. So now I just need to change the home button, and to make it easier, this I can trash it. So over here, let's see, 2x zoom. Okay, now you can see it closer. Here is a screw. And here is a screw. And here is a screw. I can tell you that's the thing I most like, is to make out of two devices one device that works. So here we have a bit more a challenge because it has like a silicone seal around and I don't want to destroy it, but I need to separate it from the glass. Oh, you can see it. Okay, now you can see it. This is the seal around the home button, and it's of course, and most important is don't break this flex cable, because otherwise you will lose Touch ID. So this we put it on the side, and look at this super dirty home button. Ugh. I don't like it, and that's why I have to clean it. And to clean it, I use something a bit unspectacular. I think I need to scratch this away. That is, yeah, it's very dirty. So I'm back, but I don't want to know what is this dust around this. I really don't want to know, because it's a bit disgusting. But the point is just easy. Why I should repair something and not cleaning it too? No one wants an ugly iPhone in the collection. Okay, now I lost something. A small piece or not? Yes, I lost it. It's somewhere here, but I can't find it. Maybe because I didn't lost it. Okay, anyway, I do the same with this now. Great. And now let's put this here in. And over here we go around. Okay. And here you see this metal plate. Oh, it's still here. Okay, let's put first this here back. Now let's put this. Maybe you see here a small metal, and this metal now we put it on this side like this. I can't tell you exactly for what it is, but I know that it is for a contact. But what is the work of this contact? No idea. I can't do it in camera. Okay. Now you can see it. It's exactly this here. Okay, this is done. And maybe I clean it a bit of the edge, but otherwise it's just like a new phone. Oh, okay, now this is done. I put this very bad and ugly screen back. And I put it in here. And this, we put them together. Of course, it's not working. Oh yeah, this is working. This is not working. Oh no, this should work. Yes, and this not, because this is iPhone 5S. And iPhone 5s and SE don't share the same camera connector. We have another phone, this here and this here. We put this also back together. Okay, let's change. Now, now let's do the other big part, but it shouldn't be so big part because the iPhone here is just simply pretty ready to get disassembled. So let's make this disassembly. I have here my amazing order where I put the screw. And under here, under this plastic, there is also a screw. And now here you can see there's an antenna. We disconnected. This is already disconnected. And under here there's also an antenna. And this is everything good. So we can take it out slowly. Oh, I forgot one screw over here. Okay, and here this is the antenna I was talking about. You disconnect it, boom, it's out. And it's out, so we can clean it a little bit. Just cleaning it a bit from the dust. Det could have been worse. Okay, now we can build it in here. Oh, we can't. I think we can't. Because we need to change here something. I think this here is for an iPhone SE. And this here is for an iPhone. Yes, of course. How could it be different? That means this is the same. Oh no. Oh, come on. This is not the same. This is not the same. So we have to change it before we can continue. Ah, so annoying. So it just got immediately bigger. I wanted a small project and now it's a big project. Okay, let's do it. But I don't remove it from here. I remove it from another iPhone. So the speaker, I remove it from this here. In hoping that this is not... it's the same. It's the same. It was an iPhone SE. Yes. Okay. Okay, then I remove it from this iPhone. Oh, is it an SE? No, it's an iPhone. Great. Then removing this. Oh, we remove this first. Now you understand why my project always gets longer and longer and longer. I wanted to make only a short video, and now I'm again doing a ultra mega video. And then there are also screws. Oh no, that's my new iPhone. Okay. So this should come out. This is also yes, SE. Okay. Okay. So here we have to put this away. You know, I did once another special project, and it was to use with an iPhone SE and iPhone 5S case and this project went good. It was cool, it was nice, and but then I made it backward, and somehow not everything changes. Or I didn't want to change it, or whatever reason. However, I know how to fix these problems. Okay, so let's move this out. Oh, I didn't want to take this with me. And let's put it in here. Oops, I did it too early. And yet again, I did it too early. The most amazing on this iPhone is that you still can repair it. And that's really nice. Okay, so now we need to take this here off. And for making this, we have to remove the screw here. It's a very small screw. I think in fact it's the smallest screw in this entire phone. And it is connected. Okay, let's see later. I nearly could do it with closed eyes, but I can't sleep here. So this comes out, and this makes two a problem, and then here the flashlight and this screw here. This is the flex connector cable from iPhone SE. And now let's put the one from the iPhone 5S. And Is this one? No, this isn't one for iPhone 5s. It's still SE. Okay, so let's make something else before. I have here an iPhone SE. Oh no, I have another thing, another box, and in here I have some spare parts. But it was not, it's not the one I was looking for. No, it's not this. So first of all, I was looking for this. It's an iPhone 5s case, like a new iPhone SE in rose gold. And I have here a box with a lot of stuff for iPhone. And now I look if I found something for this iPhone 5. Somewhere it's 5s. Is this 5s? Yes, this is 5s, but on the screen. Here I could find one for iPhone. Where it is my phone? Is it this? Yes. Oops. It's this. Okay, this we put it in here. And then it's... I can't tell you, but why my projects always finish in this chaotic and confusion, and no one knows what to do, and everyone is just getting crazy. No, I don't want to remove a battery today. I'm not in mood for removing a battery today. This is the worst thing you can do, is to remove an old iPhone 5s battery. You just get crazy. It's just this. If you really don't know what to do in your life, then go ahead, do it. But not me and not today. Because now I just want to finish. And they don't let me finish because I had this great idea to disassemble 2000 iPhones to make one working. Sometimes I'm really asking me why I choose this as hobby and not something, you know, like video games. I mean, video games, then you just have your computer, you just have your programs, all are happy. You don't need to find the right screw, you don't need to find a phone that is compatible with these things, and so this we put it out. The camera comes with me. Come on, come out. Huh. Go ahead. Why you don't want to come out? Okay. Great. Good screw. Oh, the antenna. It's getting hot here. So yet again, this And then here, removing this. There's one more annoying thing here. And this is the okay, I already removed it. So let's put this away. This. Here you need to be very careful, because otherwise you can break the cable, and this cable aren't for free. Okay, now the worst thing still has to come. No, it's not about the microphone that's over here. This you can remove it easily without too much problems. Oh, I think I already removed it. Okay, now the worst thing is this. Let's take it away, and here the flex cable continues. This here, it is incredible how hard Apple made this. I really don't know what these engineers think when they designed this, but I can tell you, probably they smoked something, because no one that's a little bit normal would make something like this. But the Apple engineers, of course, they want to make it amazing and efficient and as complicated as possible, because they are boring and they don't know what to do with their life. And so they are like, let's build the most difficult device. Let's make it more difficult. Why doing something that uses only 2 screws if you can make something with more screws, glued and easy to break, so no one comes to idea to repair it? And then there was me, and I think, yes, that's it, I want to do this. I can tell you at the end, I will regret it. I will say why I did it. Why? I just wasting my time in doing this? I don't know. I don't want to know. Not now. So let's see. Working. Okay, now next. And finally, we can put this in. We need to know that this needs to enter here, and this needs to go down here, and here you have an antenna that you have to connect again, and now it has an offset. Go in. You don't want to go in. I understand you. It's hard to go in. but I want you to go in. Yes, now I felt the click, but not connected. I soon I can't anymore. I need to make breaks soon. Now I remember that other times I connected it first. So I connect it first now. Finally. But there is still something strange. Yes, this is missing. This part here is missing. And it comes in like this. So let's see if you can still put it in. Of course not. Strange, huh? This comes in here. Oh, going. Okay, and now. Okay. Now it's done. Finally, and this connects. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, I just put this here now here in. Here, okay. Okay, I use this. Now let's put this camera. The screen. I have to change it because otherwise I can't put it in. So now next thing is to put a battery in. Now maybe you're wondered about how this project ended. It ended with a big mess because the battery didn't work as expected, and then I had some software problems, and I had this bad idea to think I want to use this phone for myself for the next week. This all makes it so long. I'm so sorry that it went so long, but it's normal in my project. And the result is this beautiful iPhone here that it's working. Very beautiful iPhone 5S. I really like it, and this comes now in my collection, and that's it. Thank you very much to watching this very long video, and see you hopefully in the next video. Thank you.